Hello everybody. So what I like to do on a rainy day is torment the birds. This is Robin, of course. Does it sound authentic? And then we have Cardinal. This actually works. They come around, they get really pissed off. Cardinals especially. Anyway, so it's a horrible rainy day. There's my hero, Schlitzie. I watched Todd Browning's 1932 movie Freaks yesterday. Schlitzie's one of the stars of it. I used to see him at the X. He was on the Midway Freak Show or whatever it was back in the 50s. I can't believe I actually saw a guy that was in a 1932 movie, and he hadn't changed a bit. Anyway, so what do we do? This is, I don't know what episode this is, part 23, 24, something like that. I've lost track. All this excitement of staying home 24 hours a day. I'm losing track of everything. So I'm going to do a sing-along today. And this is a song that I wrote coming back from the Canmore Folk Festival. It just appeared in my head, all four stanzas, like it was written on ticker tape. And I called my good friend Doc Rock, Mike Bromley, in Calgary. He answered the phone. I said, "Don't answer the phone." He says, "Why'd you call me?" "I need your answering machine. I don't have one. So I'm going to phone you back and sing something. Let me sing it." So I phoned back, I recorded it, and he phoned me back and said, "What the hell was that?" Well, the first verse of this song is also the chorus. And today is a sing-along because it's Crappy Thursday. So we're going to do a sing-along. So the lyrics are, J. Edgar Hoover was my mother. As mothers go, he was like no other. He liked to dress in women's clothes. There's nothing wrong with that. So when I go, everybody, no matter where you are or what you're doing, stop it and start singing, J. Edgar Hoover was my mother. And it goes, I hate when people say, it goes something like this. No, it isn't. It goes exactly like this. Are you ready? J. Edgar Hoover was my mother. As mothers go, he was like no other. He liked to dress in women's clothes. There's nothing wrong with that. Everybody, J. Edgar Hoover was my mother. As mothers go, he was like no other. He liked to dress in women's clothes. There's nothing wrong with that. I saw you up there in Flin Flon, you're not singing along. He had a thing for lingerie. Some might argue he was gay, but to them I have to say, there's nothing wrong with that. He owned a pair of pantyhose. I never owned a pair of those. I wish I'd punched him in the nose. There's nothing wrong with that. Everybody, J. Edgar Hoover was my mother. As mothers go, he was like no other. He liked to dress in women's clothes. There's nothing wrong with that. There's really not when you think about it. Now this is the ending of my song. I made no point, but it didn't take long. The pantyhose that hides a schlong. There's something wrong with that. So doesn't that just make you want to rush off to the washroom and wash your hands for 20 seconds? It does me. That's where I'm going next, to wash my hands and get that filth off them. Anyway, this has been a Wash Your Hands production. Mrs. Claypool's behind the camera as usual. Our big fatso cat is around here somewhere. Be nice to everybody. Support local business. And hopefully we'll get through this together. And tell your friends to subscribe, because the only place they're going to see these silly little things that we're doing is on my Greg Godowitz, that would be me, YouTube channel. So please feel free to subscribe and share. And we put them all there for one reason, because instead of all the other stuff like what we're eating for dinner and stuff, that's nobody cares about anyway. That's on the Facebook, but all this other stuff from the tour and all the rest of that stuff and videos that people have done for me, they're going up on the YouTube channel. So we'll see you again. Thank you for listening.